Tell me what I look like.
You're grand, honey.
No, I look like Miss Cleo. Miss Cleo on the telephone.
Find out what I see for you. Call me now for a free tarot reading.
Busy thinking about boys, girls like you, boys. I was busy dreaming. Alright, hey honeys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be an attempt at a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So that's makeup, hair, and outfit. So this is now the makeup portion. I'm going to say from now, I didn't get to film my outfit. The hair portion is kind of crazy, but yeah, just sit back and enjoy the video. All the products will be listed down below, so you can check the description bar. But yeah, pretty much I'm just doing a simple eye, gonna do a wing liner off camera, and yeah, that's that. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go off camera, do my eyeliner, and put on my lashes, and I'm using the beige Cosmetics D-301 Lashes. And now we're heading into the foundation situation. As I said before, products will be listed down below, so you guys can just watch along, I guess. But yeah, so if you see me talking, I was talking to my mother and my godmother. You heard them in the intro, but yeah, they're hilarious. They crack me up. So that's why I was like blabbering now and then. But yeah, I tried a whole bunch of the new products that was in my random beauty haul. I'll leave it in the linked in the cards above if you guys want to see that. And I'm pretty impressed, I must say. I mean, the Beauty Bakery sponge is not my favorite sponge, but it's good. It's good. It's alright. I can use it. But yeah. Oh, I didn't say what I was getting ready for. I am getting ready to go to Cosmo. This was on Sunday. The day I'm doing this voiceover is Wednesday, Emancipation Day. So happy Emancipation Day to all my Jamaicans, right? But yeah, I was getting ready to go to Cosmo with some of my friends. So yeah, I decided to film it for you guys. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so we're getting into the lippy section, and I really love this lippy. It's from Gabriella's Cosmetics, which is a Jamaican makeup brand. This lipstick was amazing. It's in the shade Adultery. It's a really nice matte red, but it's not a drying matte. It looks glossy in the video because I had put on a little lip gloss right before application, but when I say it's amazing, it's hands down amazing. Now to the hair section. The hair I'm wearing is from Amazon, an Amazon store called Don Millie Hair, and it's their Malaysian body wave. I made the wig in a rush on Sunday, and it wasn't the best. In person it looks straight, but seeing it on camera now, it doesn't look that straight. But I eventually ended up pinning it back, so it was all good. I have a review coming up on it really soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the reviews and what other videos to come. Alright, so I'm going to put my black tassel earrings in that I got from JCK Jewels. They're located in Springs Plaza. I'll have their Instagram down below. I think it's Mason de JCK, but I really love the earrings. They did make my outfit an outfit, if you get what I mean. And the romper that I wore is from Boohoo. I got it in December, not sure if they still have it, but if they do, I'll have it linked down below, and it's in a US size 4. As I said, didn't get to film my outfit, but here's how it came out. I just wore a black wristlet from Coach, some white roses from Bridget Sandals, and that was it. Here are some pictures of my friends. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like these types of videos and I can film more for you guys. But until next time, bye.